A revolution is sweeping across the culinary world. It's green, it's vibrant, and it's unstoppable. The plant-based diet. This isn't just another health fad. The rise of plant-based diets is a testament to our evolving understanding of nutrition, sustainability, and overall well-being. The era of meat and two veg is giving way to a new culinary frontier, where fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes take center stage. From Hollywood celebrities to your next-door neighbor, people everywhere are embracing this green revolution. And it's not just about saving the planet. Plant-based diets are becoming a go-to solution for those seeking better health outcomes. It's a lifestyle choice that's been linked to lower risks of heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. But the perks don't stop there. This shift toward plant-based eating isn't just about longevity or environmental sustainability. It's also about something many of us strive for: weight loss. Yes, you heard that right. Turning to a diet abundant in fruits, veggies, and whole grains could be the key to shedding those stubborn pounds. And guess what? This green revolution could be your ticket to weight loss. You might be wondering, how can a plant-based diet aid in weight loss? Well, to answer that, we first need to dive into the science behind weight loss. Weight loss, at its core, is all about energy balance. Our bodies need a certain amount of energy, or calories, to function. This energy is used for everything from maintaining body temperature to fueling physical activity. Now, if we consume exactly the amount of calories that our bodies need, our weight stays the same. But if we consume more than we need, the excess is stored as fat, leading to weight gain. On the flip side, if we consume fewer calories than we burn, our bodies have to tap into these stored fats for energy, resulting in weight loss. This is what's known as a calorie deficit. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what does this have to do with a plant-based diet? Well, it's simple. Foods that are plant-based are typically lower in calories than animal-based foods. For instance, a cup of cooked lentils has about 200 calories, while a similar serving of beef has more than 300. This means that by choosing plant-based foods, you can still enjoy filling meals, but with fewer calories. So, in effect, a plant-based diet can make it easier to create that necessary calorie deficit for weight loss, without feeling like you're starving yourself. But it's not just about calories. Plant-based foods are also packed with fiber, which slows digestion and helps you feel full longer. This can further assist in reducing calorie intake by curbing unnecessary snacking between meals. So to lose weight, we need to consume fewer calories than we burn, and this is where a plant-based diet comes into play. Plant-based diets are naturally low in calories, allowing you to eat more and weigh less. Now, this statement might seem contradictory at first. How can one eat more and still weigh less? Well, the answer lies in the nature of plant-based foods themselves. Plant-based diets, as the name suggests, primarily consist of foods derived from plants. These include fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds. These foods are inherently low in calories when compared to diets high in meat and dairy. To put it in perspective, a cup of cooked lentils has around 200 calories, while a cup of cooked ground beef can have well over 700 calories. So by choosing a plant-based diet, you can consume larger volumes of food without the worry of excessive calorie intake. It's not just about the calorie count, though. The nutritional profile of plant-based foods also plays a significant role. These foods are not just low in calories, they are also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They offer a multitude of health benefits beyond just weight loss. Regular consumption of these nutrient-rich foods can lead to improved digestion, better heart health, and even a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Now, let's talk about some examples of low-calorie, plant-based foods that you can incorporate into your diet. Think leafy greens like spinach and kale, whole grains like quinoa and brown rice, and legumes like lentils and chickpeas. These foods are not only low in calories but also high in fiber, which promotes a feeling of fullness and aids in weight management. Then there are fruits like berries and apples, and vegetables like zucchini and bell peppers, which are nutrient-dense and low in calories. But remember, it's not just about counting calories. It's about making mindful choices and focusing on the quality of the food you consume. It's about nourishing your body with wholesome, plant-based foods that are naturally low in calories but high in nutrition. By choosing plant-based foods, you can fill up without filling out. So the next time you're planning your meals, think plant-based. Your body and your waistline will thank you. Fiber is your secret weapon for weight loss, and plant-based diets are packed with it. Now you might be thinking, what's so special about fiber? Well, let me enlighten you. Fiber plays a key role in weight management, mainly due to its ability to promote feelings of fullness. You see, fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body can't digest. As it passes through your system, it slows down digestion, keeping you feeling full for longer. This means fewer trips to the fridge for those late-night snacks, and fewer calories consumed overall. But that's not all. Fiber also helps regulate your body's use of sugars, keeping your hunger in check and preventing overeating. It's like having your very own personal bodyguard warding off those pesky hunger pangs that can lead to overindulgence. Now let's talk about where we can find this amazing nutrient. Plant-based foods are naturally high in fiber. Take legumes, for example. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are not only packed with protein, but they're also brimming with fiber. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are another excellent source. Fruits and vegetables? Absolutely, especially when you eat them with the skin on. Just imagine starting your day with a bowl of steel-cut oats topped with fresh berries, or having a hearty lentil soup for lunch. Not only are these meals delicious and satisfying, but they'll also keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. And the best part? You'll be consuming fewer calories without even realizing it. Remember, the goal here isn't to starve yourself or feel deprived. It's about making smart choices that not only nourish your body, but also keep you satisfied. And that's where fiber comes in. With a plant-based diet, you'll never have to worry about going hungry while trying to lose weight. So why not give it a try? Your body will thank you for it. A common concern about plant-based diets is getting enough protein and essential nutrients. Fear not. It's a myth that you can't get enough protein from plant-based foods. In reality, a variety of plant foods are packed with this vital macronutrient. From lentils, chickpeas, and peas, to quinoa, tofu, and seitan, there's a plant-based source of protein for every palate. And it's not just about protein. Essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, are all abundant in plant-based diets. Take, for instance, leafy greens like spinach and kale. They're not just low in calories, but they're also rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals such as iron and calcium. Seeds and nuts like flax seeds, chia seeds, almonds, and walnuts are nutritional powerhouses, providing a hearty dose of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They're also a good source of essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and selenium. Whole grains like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread provide an excellent source of complex carbohydrates which keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. They also contain B vitamins, iron, magnesium, selenium, and plenty of fiber. Fruits, from apples to oranges, bananas to berries, are nature's dessert. They're not just sweet and delicious, but also loaded with essential vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Remember, the key to a successful plant-based diet is variety. Eating a wide range of plant foods ensures you're getting a mix of different nutrients. And don't forget about fortified foods and supplements. They can help fill any nutritional gaps, especially for nutrients like vitamin B12, which is primarily found in animal products. In conclusion, a plant-based diet doesn't mean you're missing out on protein or other essential nutrients. Quite the contrary, it's a cornucopia of nutritional wealth. A well-planned plant-based diet can provide all the nutrients your body needs. Are you ready to embark on your plant-based weight loss journey? Here are some practical tips. First, defining your dietary pattern is crucial. This means understanding what a plant-based diet looks like for you. It could be through focusing on whole foods or maybe incorporating more legumes and grains. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here, so feel free to personalize it to your liking. Second, avoid an all-or-nothing mentality. Transitioning to a plant-based diet doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite foods overnight. Instead, try gradually incorporating more plant-based foods into your meals. This approach not only makes the transition more manageable, but it also makes it more sustainable in the long run. Next, get savvy about plant-based swaps. Miss the creamy texture of dairy in your coffee? Try almond or oat milk. Craving a burger? How about a savory black bean or portobello mushroom patty? The possibilities are endless, and with a little creativity, you won't feel like you're missing out. Keeping meal planning simple is another key tip. You don't need to whip up a gourmet meal every time. A hearty bowl of vegetable soup, a vibrant salad, or a simple stir-fry can be just as satisfying. Remember, the goal is to nourish your body, not to become a master chef overnight. Finally, prioritize foods that promote satiety. These are foods that are high in fiber and protein like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa. They'll keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help to curb unnecessary snacking. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that first step today, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. The plant-based revolution is here, and it's time for you to join. We've journeyed through the science of weight loss, exploring the crucial role of calories and fiber, and understanding how a plant-based diet can be a powerful tool in your weight loss endeavor. Let's recap the main points. A plant-based diet is naturally low in calories yet high in fiber, promoting feelings of fullness and aiding in weight management. But it's not just about weight loss. It's about embracing a healthier lifestyle that benefits not only you, but also our planet. We've also learned about the essential nutrients and protein in a plant-based diet. Remember, it's not about an all-or-nothing mentality. It's about making smart swaps, ensuring adequate nutrient intake, and keeping meal planning simple. And let's not forget the practical tips we've shared for successful weight loss on a plant-based diet. Defining your dietary pattern, avoiding extremes, and prioritizing foods that promote satiety are all part of the journey. The benefits of plant-based diets extend beyond weight loss. They contribute to overall health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting a sustainable environment. So, are you ready to embrace the plant-based revolution? It's a journey of discovery, of taste, and of health. It's time to choose plants, to choose health. If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, your health is your wealth. Choose plants, choose health.